Hello tool lovers, welcome to my channel. Don't skip this video. Today we're showcasing 30 of the coolest woodworking tools on Amazon you must see in 2026. From smart gadgets to time-saving innovations, these tools will upgrade your workshop and boost your skills. Whether you're a pro or DIY enthusiast, get ready to discover tools you'll wish you had sooner. Carpenter Square, the THORVALD 6-in-1. Carpenter Square is a versatile, all-in-one layout tool designed for precision and efficiency in woodworking and construction. Made from durable 4mm aluminum, it features laser-engraved markings for long-lasting clarity. This smart tool combines a square, protractor, ruler, marking gauge, drill gauge, and wrench in one compact design. With accurate 1/16 inch graduations and a 7-inch size, it's perfect for quick measurements, angle marking, and professional grade project accuracy. M1 Measuring Tool. The REEKON M1 Measuring Tool is a game-changing upgrade for any workshop, turning your saw into a smart cutting system. It clamps directly to the fence and uses a high-precision digital wheel to measure materials in real time. With its backlit LCD, curve compensation, and universal clamp, it ensures fast, accurate cuts without manual marking. Designed for versatility and efficiency, the M1 helps woodworkers save time, improve precision, and work more safely on every project. DrillMate Guide. The Milescraft 1318. DrillMate transforms any standard hand drill into a precision drill press. Perfect for straight or angled holes, it works on flat surfaces, bored edges, and round stock up to 3 inches. Its self-centering, V-groove base, multi-angle metal platform, and double ball bearing head ensure accuracy and minimal wobble. With adjustable depth stops, spring action control, and universal compatibility for 3/8 inch or 1/2 inch drills, it's ideal for repeatable, precise woodworking projects. Non-slip feet and auxiliary handle add stability. Pocket Hole Jig Kit. The VEVOR Pocket Hole Jig Kit is a versatile joinery system for creating strong, hidden screw joints in hardwood, softwood, and MDF. Its CNC machined aluminum or reinforced nylon body ensures precision and durability, while the adjustable depth system accommodates wood from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches. The detachable guide block allows benchtop or portable use, and built-in chip outlets keep drilling smooth. Kits include drill bits, clamps, screws, and a carrying case, making it ideal for cabinets, furniture, and shelving projects. Table Saw. The SKIL 15 amp 10-inch portable. Table Saw TS6307-00 is perfect for DIY ears and light professionals seeking precision and portability. Its 4x4 cutting capacity handles 3.5-inch thick materials in a single pass. Features include a rack and pinion fence for accurate cuts, a 15-amp motor with 4,600 revolutions per minute, and an integrated folding stand for easy transport. The saw supports 8-inch dado blades, has micro-adjustable parallel blade alignment, onboard storage, and dust management, making it a versatile job site companion. Sandit Sanding Block. The Milescraft 1622. Sandit Sanding Block is a compact multifunctional tool built for precision and versatility. Its unique 4-in-1 design handles flat, convex, concave, and tight edge sanding with ease, making it perfect for detailed woodworking and DIY projects. The quick snap lock system allows fast sandpaper changes, while compatibility with standard 1/4 sheets adds convenience. Lightweight yet durable, it offers excellent control and comfort, making it a reliable choice for smoothing complex shapes and surfaces. Rubber mallet. The ESTWING 12-ounce rubber mallet is perfect for precise, non-marring strikes in woodworking, flooring, and furniture assembly. The deadhead rubber mallet features specialized deadhead technology to reduce bounce back, a non-marking head, and a shock-resistant hickory handle for comfort. The double-face soft hammer offers 2 hardness faces, red/hard and yellow/soft, for versatile applications, secured with a forged steel core. Both models deliver durability, control, and surface protection, making them essential for any workshop or DIY project. Multi-scribing tool. The Saker. Multi-scribing tool is a versatile, high-precision layout instrument that replaces multiple traditional tools with over 15 marking applications. It functions as a compass, profile scribe, marking gauge, and parallel marker, perfect for duplicating complex contours around doors, pipes, or irregular surfaces. Built from anodized aluminum with steel adjustment screws, it ensures durability and accuracy. Lightweight and portable, it includes a deep hole mechanical pencil, making precise markings in tight spaces easy for every woodworking or DIY project. Basics Hand Planer. The Amazon Basics No. 4. Smoothing Bench Plane is a versatile entry-level woodworking tool designed for precise smoothing, leveling, and shaping of wood surfaces. Available in a grey/black plastic handle model and a brown wooden handle version, it features a durable cast iron body, a 2-inch alloy steel blade, and adjustable depth and alignment mechanisms. Ergonomic handles ensure comfort during extended use. Perfect for hardwoods and softwoods, it's ideal for furniture, cabinetry, and door trimming. Available via Amazon and Uboi, Pakistan. Featherboard Table Saw. The BOW Feather Pro series, FP1 and portable FP5, features EVA foam feathers for superior kickback protection and feed control. Its patented living hinge design resists backward force up to 5 times more than plastic, while preventing damage to tools or workpieces. The high-density foam absorbs vibration for clean, chatter-free cuts without marking wood. With reversible replaceable feathers and modular anchor PRO mounting, it fits mitre slots or T-tracks. Perfect for table or job site saws, it combines safety, precision, and durability. Massca Twin Pocket Hole Jig Kit. The Massca Twin Pocket Hole Jig Kit is a reliable solution for creating strong, clean, and hidden joints in woodworking projects. It features built-in measurement gauges that simplify setup and remove guesswork. The magnetic quick adjust base allows fast positioning with metal clamps, while hardened steel drill guides ensure precise, long-lasting performance. Compatible with materials from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick, it includes essential accessories for immediate versatile use. Milescraf. GrabberPLUS Pushblock. The Milescraft. GrabberPLUS Pushblock is a smart safety upgrade for table saws, router tables, jointers, and bandsaws. Its spring-loaded retractable heels grip the workpiece edge for superior control and reduced kickback. A diamond grip Non-marring base prevents slipping, while the ergonomic handle applies balance pressure comfortably. Built from durable, high-visibility ABS plastic, the ambidextrous GrabberPLUS keeps hands safely away from blades during precise cuts. WORKPRO 6-inch Japanese Pool Saw. The WORKPRO 6-inch Japanese Pool Saw delivers clean, accurate cuts for pros and DIYers. Its dual-edged SK5 high-carbon steel blade offers a 14 TPI side for fast rip cuts and a 17 TPI side for precise cross cuts, with some versions featuring a fine 23 TPI edge for joinery. An ultra-thin, flexible blade with gold coating reduces friction and resists rust. The ergonomic beach handle, pull stroke action, tooth guard, and hanging hole ensure control, safety, and easy storage in any workshop. Wood Chisel Set. A quality wood chisel set is an essential addition to any woodworking toolkit, offering precision, strength, and versatility. These sets feature hardened steel blades for excellent edge retention, allowing clean and accurate cuts across different materials. Ergonomic, impact-resistant handles provide comfort and control during extended use, while multiple blade widths handle everything from fine joinery to heavy chopping. Protective coatings, strike caps, and durable storage cases ensure long-lasting performance and safe, organized storage. POWERTEC Push Block and Push Stick Set. The POWERTEC Push Block and Push Stick Set is a 5-piece safety kit built to improve control and protect hands around woodworking machines. It includes long and short hold-down push blocks, a safe V-stick, and a straight push stick for precise feeding. Slip-resistant rubber pads deliver strong grip without marring stock. Durable ABS construction, ergonomic handles, and bright orange visibility make it ideal for table saws, jointers, router tables, shapers, and band saws with magnets on select models for storage. DMF Cabinet Scraper for Woodworking. The DMF Cabinet Scraper from DFM Toolworks is a precision finishing tool designed to deliver ultra-smooth, glass-like wood surfaces without standing dust. Made in the USA from 0.032 inches. American Blue Spring Steel, it features a high carbon edge hardened to Rockwell 50C for excellent durability. CNC cut edges are ready to use immediately, removing tear out, burn marks, and tricky grain with ease while producing clean shavings instead of dust. Pomsare 5-inch hook and loop backing pad. The Pomsare 5-inch hook and loop backing pad is a versatile heavy-duty accessory that turns angle grinders and power drills into powerful sanding and polishing tools. Made from reinforced polyurethane, it offers excellent durability and flexibility. The secure hook and loop system allows quick disc changes, while the soft buffer layer reduces vibration and follows curved surfaces. Rated for high RPM use, it's ideal for sanding, grinding, buffing, and polishing wood, metal, plastic, and more. GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig. The GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig is a must-have tool for woodworkers who need precise, repeatable thin cuts with improved safety. Designed for table saws, band saws, and router tables, it delivers accurate strip widths down to 1/32 inch. Its one-way roller bearing reduces kickback risk, while the durable aluminum body ensures long-term reliability. Easy setup, laser-engraved scales, and wide compatibility make it ideal for consistent professional results. POWERTEC 24-inch double-cut profile universal T-track. The POWERTEC 24-inch double-cut profile universal T-track is a reliable upgrade for custom woodworking jigs, fixtures, and workbenches. Its double-cut profile accepts common 1/4 inch and 5/16 inch T-bolts and hex bolts, adding flexibility without extra hardware. Made from anodized 6463 aluminum, it's lightweight, strong, and corrosion resistant. Pre-drilled countersunk holes ensure easy installation, while its universal design supports router tables, drill press tables, stops, and clamping systems. WORKPRO 9-inch track saw clamps. The WORKPRO 9-inch track saw clamps are built to keep guide rails firmly locked in place for accurate, worry-free cutting. Their universal design fits most major track saw systems, excluding Bosch, making them highly versatile. One-handed squeeze grip operation allows quick setup, while a strong 150-pound clamping force prevents movement. Non-marring pads protect surfaces, and durable steel construction ensures long-lasting reliability for woodworking, jigs, and glue-ups. MICROJIG MatchFit Pop Stop. The MICROJIG MatchFit Pop Stop is a smart, low-profile stop block designed for the MatchFit dovetail clamp track system, delivering precise and repeatable cuts. Its spring-loaded design automatically retracts, allowing material to slide freely without removing the stop. Compatible with standard 1/2 inch by 14-degree dovetail grooves, it works vertically or horizontally. Durable, flexible, and easy to position, it's ideal for jigs, sleds, and repeat cut woodworking tasks. EZARC Bimetal Arc Edge Oscillating Tool Blade. The EZARC Bimetal Arc Edge Oscillating Tool Blade is built for fast, precise, and long-lasting cutting across many materials. Its CurveTech Arc Edge design reduces vibration while improving control and accuracy. Made with HSS teeth and a flexible alloy steel body, it lasts up to 5 times longer than standard CRV blades. The wavy tooth pattern prevents jamming, handles heat well, and delivers clean cuts in wood, plastic, drywall, fiberglass, and soft metals. GOINGMAKE Bench Dog Clamp. The GOINGMAKE Bench Dog Clamp is a fast-acting, all-metal hold-down clamp built for MFT workbenches and dog hole tables. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it delivers strong, reliable clamping force to keep workpieces steady during cutting, drilling, sanding, or assembly. Its precision CNC machine dog post fits standard 20mm or 3/4 inch holes, while soft protective pads prevent surface damage. Adjustable height and quick release action make it ideal for efficient professional woodworking. Gorilla All-Purpose Wood Filler Wood Repair Kit. The Gorilla All-Purpose Wood Filler Wood Repair Kit is a reliable solution for fixing cracks, holes, and surface damage in wood. Its strong, durable formula resists shrinking and cracking while remaining water resistant for indoor and outdoor projects. The filler is paintable and stainable, sands smoothly, and dries quickly. Once cured, it can anchor nails and screws. The kit includes an 8-ounce filler tub, putty knife, and sanding block. Kreg KDRV-FLIP Quick Flip. The Kreg KDRV-FLIP Quick Flip is a time-saving dual-action tool designed to simplify pocket hole woodworking. It combines a precision drill bit and a No. 2 square drive bit in one compact, quick-release housing, letting you flip between drilling and driving in seconds. The adjustable depth feature ensures accurate pilot holes for different Kreg screw lengths. Impact rated and built with a standard 1/4 inch hex shank, is durable, comfortable to use, and compatible with most drills and drivers. Gorilla Ultimate Waterproof Wood Glue. The Gorilla Ultimate Waterproof Wood Glue delivers professional strength for interior and exterior woodworking. Its 100% waterproof formula meets ANSI/HPVA Type Y standards, ensuring long-lasting bonds outdoors. The glue offers up to 15 minutes of open time and needs only 20 to 30 minutes of clamping. It dries to a natural tan colour without foaming, sands and paints easily after curing, cleans up with water, works on many woods, and applies in temperatures as low as 50 degrees Fahrenheit for reliable, clean, professional results. ESTWING Pro Claw Nail Puller. The ESTWING Pro Claw Nail Puller is a professional grade prying tool built from a single piece of forged, tempered steel for exceptional strength and durability. Its dual claw design includes a Japanese-style 90-degree angled claw for maximum leverage and a thin precision claw for tight spaces. Sharp machined edges grip nails securely, even headless ones. A shock-absorbing cushion grip ensures comfort, while the chrome finish adds corrosion resistance and long-lasting performance. Mr. Penn Rafter Square. The Mr. Penn Rafter Square is a versatile, compact carpentry tool crafted from durable aluminum alloy, perfect for measuring and layout tasks. Its high visibility markings on a matte finish ensure easy reading, while its multi-purpose design functions as a square, protractor, saw guide, rafter table, and straight edge. The 7-inch size fits conveniently in a pocket or tool belt, and scribing notches allow precise line marking. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's ideal for both job site and home use.